Alright guys, welcome back. Damn. Today is day two, um, and a half or whatever. So basically what had happened, oh yeah, in the face cam, shit, I just something like alright, that's besides the point. But basically, um got like not good news, but we don't got bad. Like it's not bad. We didn't lose today. All right, so basically, I placed a pending trade. I entered at let me see, changes. Entered. Oh shit. All right, so entered right here. Basically, confluences that, or yeah, at confluences that had me enter here was this liquidity right here and just the build back up. All right, well that's only one confluence, but there's this order block and this one, or I think this one. Fuck it. We this one, it didn't even go down to it and back up, which I should have. That's not one of the like confluences I used um for my entry or my confirmation. I used like this what the hell? This what is this even highlighting? Alright, bro. I don't even remember putting that. But alright, this order block order block. Come on, bro. This fair value gap basically led me like closer. I was like, all right, it's just gonna fill this and come straight back up after like going shooting up. And my daily bias was bullish. Let me check this out. And I was right. It didn't my bias wasn't wrong. It's just it my none of these green lines um let me highlight them real quick. These green lines right here, these two are my take profits. So it was a 1 to 2 RR, and it just uh it didn't hit my take profits, but I never like I had to close because it's 5:24 right now. Obviously you see the market is closed, but I don't want to hold a trade through the whole day with no volatility, hoping that it hits my take profit. I don't see the point in that. So still was a win. Again, this whole like journey, like it's not about the money I make. It's about the consistency. And for these two, you see, these two are today. Um, these I think these three are yesterday. So that's two wins. Um, last week, yeah, last week was a loss, two wins, and then a loss. So there's definitely I see progress. Um, I just honestly, it's just more market experience. I feel like I could have done better in a way by honestly, never mind. I don't think there's nothing I could do because look, peep game. This oh shit. Alright, peep. This is London Open. Alright. there's not much I could do with this. I mean, I know this is an order block, but it didn't even go down to that. So I thought because it reached liquidity, it was just gonna rally like crazy. And based on this fair value gap, this like I said, in my video from this morning at like London session, um, it's more of a riskier, um, I forgot what I fucking said, but it's more of a riskier entry or confirmation, and there's not much I could do. Um, at 12, it almost hit my TP1, but then I I kept my trade into here on this down candle. Oh my gosh, this shit is in the way. Into this down candle, and I trusted my plan, and it shot back up obviously, but then I had to close because at this it's already 4. I just there's no point in holding a trade for the whole day or throughout until tomorrow. So yeah, my daily bias was right. Just TPs weren't hit. I don't know, just like not as much volatility or volume I expected. I could look at the news for tomorrow. Hold on. Oh man. So holy shit. 3:15 PMI. Let me just get out my notes real quick. Gotta pull out the notes. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, not gonna trade PMI or FOMC. Man, tomorrow might just be an off day, to be honest. Oh, PMI. I mean, I could trade. Can I? Yeah. It's not. I could trade PMI. Except FOMC. That's when New York session opens. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't see no other bad news. But let me see. Alright. This though. More hawkish. Alright, so I'm just gonna wake up early and see if I might I might not even take a trade because there's a lot of news, but that means there's high like volatility. But none of this is for USD, so we're fine. And then Thursday, JPY, CPI, then unemployment claims. Alright, this should be good for the rest of the week. Yeah, we're chilling. All right, well, tomorrow there should be more volatility. 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 Fuck it. Volatility tomorrow. More volume tomorrow. So that should be good. Yeah, I don't know what this bullshit is, but hey, man. Yeah, but that's that. So no loss today, but no major gain. But profit is profit, bro. If this was what's it called? Cause today I wanted to risk 1.5, but I risked 1%. I put in the trade too quick, or what? I didn't look over my shit. My the pending trade I put, it didn't even like go in until like 9. So I think it didn't even go in until, yeah, it didn't even go in until New York session open. Yeah, 9:39. So, but I also was just looking at, I don't know, price action today. Wasn't crazy. But that'll be it for day 2 of this documentation. Just fuck it for this. That's just day 2. Trade analysis. That's what the video is gonna be called. Um, but I'll catch you guys on London session. So for me, in a few hours. Um, but peace, y'all.